light bar? I don't think so. Sure? Look at that. Just beautiful. We're on our way to Lake Havasu now after the King of the Hammers event here.
What? Oh my.
The rest of the guys had to go home, but Wally and I are gonna go to Lake Havasu, cross the London Bridge to the little island there. I'm thinking there should be some camp spots there and some open dirt to have a good view of the lake, but we'll see. This is so cool. We're on the 62, and this is just way cooler than the views you get off the 10, in my opinion. Even though those are beautiful as well. Here, you're like out by yourself. Yeah, just a few miles over that way is the 10, and I'm sure there's lots of traffic and it's packed. Unfortunately, it's getting a little dark, so it's gonna be dark when we get there, but that's okay. It'll make it all the more fun when the morning comes around and we get to see where we are. Smoke Tree Ave, what? Hey, we are here in Lake Havasu. Right, here it is, the London Bridge. A little bit different to drive over at night, but still pretty cool. The London Bridge. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. So, did you guys know that they shipped this bridge over here from London, brick by brick, and put it right here in Lake Havasu, Arizona? Why? I don't know. They did it though. They sure did it, and we just drove it. Oh, that's not a good sign to see. So we're at the Site 6, I think boat ramp for Lake Havasu. We're looking for some spots. These light bars sure are handy. But yeah, I don't know if we should be camping here. This is weird. It's like a light pole thingy, but I don't know. This looks like a really cool spot. Oh wow! I think the lake's like right here. This spot is amazing. You can't see it, but the lake is right here. We're literally on like a cliff, like a little peninsula. Yeah, the lake is right here, and it goes all the way over here. Look at this peninsula. Oh man, look at this view. This is so cool. Spur of the moment, like, makes it way cooler. We just pulled in here randomly. I kind of had an idea it would be a good spot though. There's our path down to the lake for the morning. And the beautiful city of Lake Havasu. So yeah, dude, we just had a huge big bag of trash from the last like 3-4 days of King of Hammers blow down this hill. It's terrible. Clean some of it up, but we'll get it all in the morning. Just beer cans and crap everywhere, but we'll get it all in the morning. Don't you worry. I will not leave one piece of litter here. But yeah, that was super annoying. The wind just came and picked it up, and phew, it was like 3/4 full. I swear that thing was like 20 pounds. Survivor, man. Well, I'll tell you, it sure is nice to have an indoor kitchen right now.
Oh, sure is, dude. After this, we're gonna cook up some cheesecake.
Oh, cheesecake?
Just kidding, I don't have another.
But I do, so we're gonna bake cookies.
Oh, alright. Now we're talking, dude.
Yep. Some burgers, mac and cheese. It's windy as hell out here. So we're just hanging in the StarCraft. Alpine Starscraft.
Alpine Starcraft. Is that a cop light bar?
I don't think so.
Sure. This thing's shining at us, dude. It's a side light bar. Dude, somebody doing what we were doing on the way in here. Oh, that's a Crown Vic, dude.
No. We just got rolled up on by a cop who said that we have to leave. He was super cool though, and Wally was like, well, I've had a couple drinks, so I don't really feel comfortable driving right now. And he said, take your time. When you feel comfortable, you know, vacate the area. And we were like, okay, yeah, it's a beautiful spot, it's really great. And he's like, oh, the sunrise here is beautiful, it's a great spot. Leave when you feel comfortable, thank you, have a good one. It was kind of like a wink wink, like, just stay here tonight, I had to tell you what I had to tell you kind of thing. So we're just gonna chill here and sleep tonight. If we get rolled up on by another cop, then whatever, so be it. But we don't want to get DUIs because we've been drinking and we need to sleep here. It's insanely windy though. Alright, well, it's windy, but it's not too bad in the camper. I'm gonna go to bed. I really want to see what this place looks like at sunrise. So, we'll see you at sunrise. Ow. And there's the sun. This view from outside.
We just made some sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches.
Oh, video on video. Oh, what do we do? Look at these. We're gonna eat them. So good.
With the view of the lake. I love it. Cheese sandwiches.
Are you serious? The water's right there. We didn't drive down there, and we're right here. Oh man. We could totally tuck them down there. Yep, we're picking up our trash from last night. Thanks for the help, Wally.
Yeah, man.
Finding a lot of other trash here as well. Now, epic spot. Wish we could stay longer, but we weren't supposed to be here in the first place, so I think we've overstayed our welcome as it is. I would love to say I'd recommend coming here, but like I just said, you're not supposed to. Coming over the London Bridge in the daytime. We explored the shops around the London Bridge and soaked up the beautiful sights on the way outside of Lake Havasu. Look at this. Look at this. So beautiful, Havasu. Are you serious? Then, on our way home, this happened.
Here's your alternator.
Really?
Belt on the alternator.
Okay. Belt on the alternator. That's what Wally thinks right now. But that's a story for the next episode, so be sure to hit that subscribe so you don't miss it.